Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a look today at RZLV. This is RZLV stock. And you see this one today down by 4%. Over the past 5 days, the stock is down by 23.9%. And over the past month, the stock is up by over 100%. The question after all of that is, where do we go from here? And over the course of this video, I'll be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions on what that might look like. If it sounds good, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, please. It does help me out more than you may realize. At the same time, I'd like you to remember that this is not financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. Finally, let me make you aware of the new Discord page, well actually Patreon page I should say, that I now have. I've launched a Patreon page. You can find exclusive content on there, such as videos like this that I published an hour ago, talking about 4 of the stocks which are grabbing my attention, one that I think has potential of 10x. I've also got articles on there, like the one I just wrote for you guys, talking about some of the key market factors this week, along with a lot of extra content, a lot of extra stuff that I don't put here on YouTube. I think for the price it is pretty good value, and you can find the link in the description. Jumping straight into the video though, like I say, what stands out here is that the stock is up so much, and given the context of this, given this fact as a whole, where do we go from here? What are we looking for? Well, obviously I'm sure you can imagine what we're looking for is a strong level of support. Now what worries me a little bit is this low that we're seeing today, and again, come over here and look at this on the 1 day. You can see the stock dropping all the way down to the 611 mark, which is again quite significantly lower than where we are right now. Again, this indicates even dropping lower than that point. So the question is, where do we find our supports? Well, let's zoom into the 5 day and speak about this in a bit more detail. I think we're looking for support levels initially that could be as low as $6. $6 on its head, 6.10 are very strong levels. Below that, the next level of support could potentially be down to the 540s. We have seen levels around also $6 hold up round about this point. This point is back in September, early September, I should say, to the 10th even, a couple of days ago, right? A couple of days ago on the 10th, I should say, we've seen these levels hold up. So you could see that again. You could be looking to retouch on those levels. Again, if not, I think you are dropping back down to the mid fives potentially. Now, upside potential here, you're looking for $7, you're looking then for $7.60, $7.65, $7.70, then you're looking for a push potentially up to the mid-8s. So, you know, we're in this channel now where, and again, you zoom out to the month, I think it does show this, the stock is selling off quite a bit. You zoom out to the 3 months, so you can very much see indicators are beginning to slow down, coming towards the oversold range now after being overbought briefly. We are now asking the question of, is this going to be the support? Is this going to be the basis? Well, like I say, you draw that $6 mark, you come along here and look at how things have been historically. We have found some strength here. This could be a range to watch. If I was to buy around this point, I would keep my stop losses relatively tight. But again, I'll talk more about that on Patreon if you want to get that exclusive extra content. But I think there's a lot to watch out for here. You know, it is going to be a high risk, high reward play anyway, but it could be an interesting stock. And the upside potential, you know, you're looking at $6.90, you're looking potentially all the way up to $8 and beyond, depending on how things play out. A very interesting play. Those are just some of the key levels that I'm looking for, guys. You may agree, you may disagree. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section. As I always say, I give you these levels so that you can go on to make your own opinions and do your own research. Thank you for your time. Hope I'll see you again soon. Goodbye for now. You guys are ready to get serious about trading for less than the price of a coffee every day, I've got to tell you about the new Patreon page that I have just launched. That's right, guys, I have a new Patreon. I'm going to be sharing everything on here, from my personal stocks that I am watching to pre-market updates, as well as a Discord group which I have started. It's going to allow you to access similar-minded, like-minded people who are also interested in sharing their knowledge about the markets. I'm going to be sharing a lot of stuff over here, guys. There's going to be a lot of exclusive content coming in the next couple of weeks, but do bear in mind, for most of the tiers, spots are limited. The Market Scout, where you'll gain access to the Discord, prices will change after 150 members. At the moment, guys, I'm limited for time, so the Trader's Edge course and above, we're limiting the courses even lower, right? There's a limited amount of people who can join. At the same time, depending on the level of mentorship that you want, we have prices going all the way up from $14.50 to the highest tiers over here that you can see. Again, if you're looking to take your journey to that next level, on these middle tiers, this is personally the one that I would recommend, even though it's not the most expensive. It costs less than a coffee every single day, and the amount of information that you'll get here, in my personal opinion, is absolutely worth the value. At the very least, guys, you can become a member for free. The link is down in the description, the comment section, and the bio. Just give it a look and see what you think. And of course, feel free to sign up if you're looking to take your journey even further. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video.